seriousness of it, that it's come to this. If I thought that then, I would have killed myself then, if I'd have known if it was going to go as long and everything else. But at the time, that they did find the heroin in my bag. Of course, I was speechless, but I wasn't really worried, because I knew that these Chinese who I took the police around to arrest, they were the ones. So the police told me, just be patient. We know it's not you. Be patient. For the 1 month in that little tiny police cell, I was patient.
The principal judge, a British-educated barrister, was severe. He has been hearing this case for months, and the only person before the court is Rita Nightingale. The other people, 2 Chinese, have disappeared from Bangkok. Only Rita Nightingale is left